Hello, and welcome to New Tech. In this tutorial, you will learn how to partition a hard drive using disk management on Windows 10 computer. Let's begin. On the left side, right-click on this PC and select Manage Options. On left side, under the Storage, select Disk Management. Then, select your hard drive and right-click it. After that, select Shrink Volume. Now, enter the amount of space in megabytes that you want to shrink and click Shrink button. Then, you will notice that Shrink Partition will be highlighted with UN allocated space. Now, right-click on the UN allocated space and select New Simple Volume. Then, click Next button. Click Next button. After that, select Assign the following drive letter and click Next button. Now, rename the volume label as your wish for the drive. Then, enable the checkbox of File and Folder Compression. After that, click on Next button and click Finish button. Now, in this PC Explorer, you will notice that a new partition drive has been added. In this way, you can create multiple partitions by repeating this all steps. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you in next tutorial with amazing and interesting topics. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.